That right there is a school of dolphins. Yes, you're with the Crypto Sniper. We are in Plettenberg Bay this morning. That's right, we had a whale as well, 2 whales, and that's a school of dolphins. I'm looking at them playing in the waves there now. Difficult for you to spot, but why are we here? Why are we talking? 21 seconds talking about nature? No, it's the Crypto Sniper. And why are we talking to you? Because the market is set up, in our opinion, for a substantial fall. We have spoken about various cryptos that we will be short. Not some of them you don't know, some of them you do. To be aware of all where we short, you need to be in our community. That's themarketsniper.com. But we did actually mention that there is a top 10 crypto that we see a 60% plus potential fall, certainly well over halvening. And in actual fact, there's one particular crypto that we see that is highly liquid, that we see potentially doing a 90% loss of value. We're talking 85 to around 90% loss of value. And right now, as we are setting up for today, and this is the European session, round about just past midday time zone. I think we're on about GMT plus 2 here. We are talking about an American session that's going to start at around about 2:30 in 2 hours time. This will take an hour and a bit maybe to load up. It's our express opinion that certain cryptos, in fact, I think the whole crypto suite is preparing for a sell-off. What's happening Tuesday? I can tell you what's happening Tuesday while those dolphins are playing in that waves over there, not far away from the whales earlier this morning. I can tell you whales and dolphins are getting ready to dump crypto. And why would that be? Well, because overall on Tuesday, the Federal Reserve meets, and it's highly likely that when the Federal Reserve meets tomorrow, my good friends, you will get a 0.75 basis points increase. That is 3 quarter point increases. That's what 3/4 is, 3/4, and you will get 3/4 of basis points potential increase. Now, I don't know for sure that could be. Maybe they come in unders and it's half because they're afraid of recession. But they haven't been talking afraid of recession. They've been talking inflation is our great enemy. What they're really trying to do is pump the dollar to punish those that look to join other competing rivals. They're being the chief silverback in the troop, only they're getting a bit aging and a bit grey around the beard, and some of the young guns are looking fit and strong. But truth be told, there's so many risks all to the downside with this interest rate cycle, and it looks to me that these events are close to coming to a head right now. And you could, in fact, as we move into that key day where the rates will be announced, they'll also make a statement, I think, Friday. But if you get that 75 basis points, people have to start thinking about what they're going to do at the next rate cycle. You could have a very uneasy set of days stroke week ahead for all risk on assets. But crypto looks the most vulnerable to me right here, but don't expect to see ARK and others like it doing famously well either in an environment where we then get a further 3/4 hike. That could start to see various bonds and bond cycle rates starting to price in what the next interest rate cycle hike could be. So here's a quick alert. I don't want to make it too lengthy. If you want to know the details of our best setups, and we have really beautiful inverted HVF setups with clear-cut targets on specific cryptos that we are discussing inside our community, our suspicion is that crypto is not going to enjoy the next few days with the interest rate announcement. And then Powell's statement on the Friday is unlikely to be particularly dovish either. So we'll have to wait and see how that is interpreted. But it could be a very, very tricky week. Over the weekend, crypto has bled to the downside. It has bled to the downside. We've also done a study on all the dominances, or we're partway through that. We have a very good idea of the top 10, which dominances are going up and which dominances are going down. That's right. Some of which we've discussed in part with you on Freeview. The rest, as I say, themarketsniper.com, book a call. And there's going to be major moves in dominances. In our opinion, major moves in dominances in that top top 15, particularly that top 10, that are going to see significant swings, including one token that's going to go up over 50% in dominance. And I'm not talking about Bitcoin, although I expect the dominance will go up on Bitcoin to some degree, while a lot of alts do some proper puking. But that doesn't mean it's going to be a great time for Bitcoin either. In short, bearishness, and I think some of it is getting very close to triggering events. Until we catch up with you again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, go to our Instagram channel and subscribe there. Book a call on themarketsniper.com. 3 W's, themarketsniper.com. Book a call. We only interact with people from our website. All comments or WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups are fake. You should avoid them. I'm going to go viewing whales and dolphins while you guys contemplate what you're going to do with your crypto. Until next time, bye.